Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace a screen, our Garmin Forerunner 235. So let's begin. Got your Garmin, got the face. Go ahead and adjust your heat gun to about 150 degrees Celsius, and just not to have it blow that much. I mean, if you have the heat gun that adjusts how hard it blows, I would adjust it to about 45, I would say. Just enough so it just doesn't burn the face of the watch, but just gives it enough temperature heat that it just soothes up the adhesive. Let's go ahead and just work your way around. Don't get the watch too hot, this top of the screen, because the adhesive is not that bad to take off. It's not too terrible. It's not that sticky, but still just use enough heat to go around with it. So as that goes, get a thin, it's a gasket tool that you use for cars. It's very thin. It's a 0.005 thickness, so it's very, very thin. So I usually just start from one corner and just pry upwards and just work my way around slowly. Some spots, there are spots that are a little harder to go around. Don't go too deep inside because there are ribbons that you can cut or damage. So just be very careful and gentle while you do this type of process. Just work your way around there. Doesn't really require too much of a pressure. It's just enough to just get it around. Some places it's hard, some places it's easy. So now just prise right up. So there's this clip. It's like a ribbon. I usually grab a flat-headed screwdriver and pry it up there like so. The screen will tweak a little bit if the watch is running, and there will be this adhesive that will be stuck to the board. So go ahead and gently peel it off without damaging anything. And go ahead and get your replacement screen. And Garmin is facing towards the clip, so the Garmin is always on top, the center. And what I usually do is line the clips, push it back in there, the screen should light back up, but you would still want to do a reset on the watch because sometimes the watch will not work properly because it's been applied and pre-applied again. So you would just have to do a reset at the end, which I always show you guys what to do. So since that's done, go ahead and use the back end of the screwdriver and just push down on the adhesive so it sticks back onto there. Go ahead and get some B7000, which you can purchase off our website. This is a really nice adhesive that is water resistant, waterproof. So this will definitely help you guys repair this watch and make it water resistant up to 50 meters. So go ahead and apply some B7000 all the way around the watch. I like to use a good amount of it just because it just helps just to make it more safe and more like the factory. Go all the way around. Close the cap. And place the center of the Garmin logo right in the center of the clip and the band. That's where it needs to be. And then I have these clips that have little cardboard pieces on each end, which will protect it from the clip damaging the screen with it not cracking, because plastic to glass isn't really that great, and it'll just help keep the back housing really nice and good. So go ahead and apply the clip onto there. Make sure it's aligned both ways perfectly so it's holding down the screen, and let it cool for about 2 to 3 hours, preferably 24 hours, just to make it fully secure and fully water resistant, because the glue does take time to cure. So there you have it. That is how you replace the screen on a Garmin Forerunner 235. Thanks for watching, guys.